Hi everybody, it is Doug. I wanted to show you a kind of like an unboxing of a belt that my girlfriend Tamitha and I got for her daughter for Christmas. Now if you notice, we actually bought this one in the men's section of Gucci. So, and we wanted the right size. So some of the belts were too thick, some of them were too thin. This one is the GG Marmont belt with the shiny buckle. So we got the shiny one as opposed to the one that's a little bit more muted. We bought it from the Charlotte Gucci store in North Carolina. But if you look here on the specs, it's 1 inch wide.
You want my life?
Momentarily. Commercial break.
We're gonna pause for an ad break. One moment, please.
Is it a message from our sponsors?
Sponsors. Mom and Doug. Merry Christmas.
You're welcome.
Wait, hold on.
Bo is anxious.
What do you
Aren't you, Bo?
Okay. I'm not ready for this. Okay. Alright, well, that's just gonna do it.
It's all good.
Choice.
It doesn't matter.
With the G's. Oh boy. Yes. Is this real? Like, I don't know. Like, when I close my eyes. Oh my goodness. Thank you guys so much.
You're welcome.
You
You could probably tear that, maybe.
Oh my. Wow. Oh, it's so pretty.
That's the shiny one.
Yeah, it's super beautiful.
I like the shiny.
Okay, I'm gonna try it on.
Or did you see something else on it? On the other end?
Well, no, do that.
Ah, it has my name. It really is mine.
Yeah.
Thank you.
No one can borrow it, not even your mom.
That's
Yeah.
true.
That's right.
Exactly.
Fingers off.
Oh, it's awesome. Thank you guys so much.
You're welcome.
There are scissors there if you need them. Right there.
Oh. Okay.
You
got
can
'em?
get through it, right?
Maybe I
Maybe
can.
not, right?
It's alright. I will persevere with the scissors.
Oh yeah.
There it is.
That's beautiful, huh?
Thank you guys so much.
You are so welcome.
Here, I'm putting this on.
I was gonna say, around your waist. Let's see.
Yeah, you can
Yeah.
feel it.
Check it out.
Would you mind holding
I
that?
don't mind at all.
Oh, I do.
So what do you
I don't
think?
mind at all. I think it's awesome. It's beautiful. Yeah. Look at this.
Has the name on it too. Oh my.
It's so shiny. And the name is perfect. Of course, it's my favorite name ever. Sorry.
I thought Santa Claus was your favorite name.
No, he's in good favors though tonight. Yeah, there it is.
The buckle is just so.
Isn't it so pretty? I didn't realize how shiny it was. I mean, it's.
Yeah, most of them are
And
like
you
that.
Putting this on.
You could
Like the
add it
old-
If you need to in Budapest or even
Okay.
at the mall in Charlotte.
This is crazy.
Cute.
Perfect.
Look at that. Oh, that's beautiful.
Yeah. Very nice.
Oh, yeah.
Yep.
All right, you two get up there side by side.
Oh yeah. Yeah, gotta have it scented.
There's the blonde egg.
With the matching shirts too.
You're welcome. I love you too. Thank you.
And thank you, Doug, so much.
Merry Christmas.
Thanks.
Yeah, let's.
I can't believe we're like matching like this.
The Bob sequence.
It's pretty awesome.